Dumelang Landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. I'm a bit late, but landi here. Umkhokha the curse. You guys, it's happening on Umkhokha. Can we just discuss the chemistry between Uzamcolo wezulu and unomafu wethu ukuthi hey, the couple is coupling, things are going to happen. The Mkhululi Junior Squirt is coming, yeah guys. But Nomafu ended up going Kibo. Makafika Kibo, they welcomed her with warmth, even though there was a bit of sadness because there was no Barkimang Zotwa, there was no Mam Zobe. It was just a bit of a cold home without a mom present. But with that said, Aisha, they enjoyed, the child was welcomed. Now I properly enjoyed that ceremony. I was like, wow, this is how you welcome a child. I think I must have a last born. But nonetheless, it was nice. Everybody showed ukuthi they are happy. But now if family Phakathwayo was worried ukuthi Phakathwa Mam Zobe might go at any time, but now they were worried to go to Upakathwa uzosala I1, so they suggested to go to Phakathwayo gets a second wife while Umamzobe is sick, so that when Umamzobe decides to go and see her ancestors or meet with her ancestors, they know Uguti Upakathwayo is covered, Upakathwayo has somebody. But Upakathwayo waichita what he will not do that, and he's not ready for that, and chase them off. So there is no second wife for Umamzobe. Zamcolo, they had to go emakhaya bayenzela umsebenzi emakhaya now that they live in an apartment, or because it's culture and there is isibaya emakhaya rather than in the suburbs, in the burbs. They went Ukhulekani Bati, he played a role. Uka is the one that even slaughtered a goat. Hey, Khulekani is inside phakathi. It means ukuthi Khulekani was Krestu and taking notes all the time, because it means ukuthi he grew up seeing this thing happening all the time. That's why it was easy for him to put himself in it and continue accordingly. Angenumntwana man. No mama ke. Yo, it was so nice. Oh Manzimande preparing abomakoti, unomkhosi nobani lokho nje nonokubonga united serving laphayana as abomakoti bakamthembu, and then the babumngane asked ukuthi how is she feeling, is she being treated well laphayana, and she was like, I'm being treated so well, even my mother-in-law has accepted me in so many ways, like I feel truly at home. And she felt at home and went in the bushes to talk to her husband and say, I'm sorry my husband for not coming and seeing your family, and but guys, it was just a happy ceremony. Today they are launching Umkhululi Junior, and Umkhululi Junior, we will see him Akoge Umjudia. But can we say Ugusi Uzamcolo no Nomafu, they make beautiful babies, and that is why I'm going to only put them here today. This video is because of Zamcolo and Nomafu, our main couple. Zamaf! Like, share and subscribe. This is your girl, Disable D. I love you. Peace. Bye.